to see, I've gone back to Dollar Tree, and it's all Michael's fault. They sent me some Fabri-Tac and it was busted. I'll show you right here. And so I had to return it. So, you know, once you stop at one store, you got to stop at another. And I did a little walkthrough through the Michaels, and it was horrible. And I'll show those pictures at the end of my haul from Dollar Tree. I was really upset because they at Michaels, they already, you know, that people are showing the not October, but the Harvest paper line, and there was nothing. You'll see what they had after I do the haul for this. Oh, and if you fast forward and then you see a CVS, I was too lazy to grab where I put my plastic baggies. I put them into an old tissue box. So if you see the CVS, I'm not doing the CVS haul. I'm doing a Dollar Tree, but I was just too lazy to get up and get the extra plastic bags out of my tissue box. Alrighty, that's a good prepper tip, to store your plastic bags in here and just pull them out when you need them. Okay, talk to you later. Hello, I know this says CVS, but it's Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree haul. Okay, yes, I was doing all this running around because Michaels did it. I'm blaming all this on Michaels, even though I'm happy because I got those iris cases and stuff. But I picked this up. I'm blaming Liliana from It's a Deal because she got me to buy this because they say you just take the you could scratch this off or get this off for some way you can make this a trinket box, you know, or embellishment box. So I bought that. Okay, I bought these because I'm a kid and I like the colors. And these are highlighters. Oh, good. Yeah, I was wondering if they were in different colors. What color is that? Let me put my glasses on. It's light blue, yellow, and oh, pink. Okay, so I bought that. Okay, good, good, good. Then I picked up some books for $1. You could beat that. So I'm not gonna tell you what these books are about, but I bought that book. So yeah, that's why I just laid it open so you can read it. This book I couldn't wait to get started on. This is good. The only thing that's kind of getting on my nerves is she named a lot of her characters out of popular people that is in government now or in the news now, or it was in the news at the time of the writing. They're still in the news now, and it's a little like, okay. But this is a good book. As you can see, I'm already into that one. I thought that was a pretty neat book to buy. You can read all about it. I'm a kid. And when I read this, I said, wow, that sounds pretty interesting. That was a good book for $1. A book that was $35. So if you could read what that's about, you just pause it to read if it showed up. Now this is what I was happy to finally find. And I think I had some footage. I'll show some footage, or I have showed footage. I was able to finally find this. And you know what? They've had this before because it has 2003 on it. But here it is. I was happy to find this. And I kept screaming at the when people were showing. I said, well, what's the size? It's 11, well, 10 and 3/4, probably by 7.5. So big enough to put their paper pads in it, or any other. I think it's kind of cute. You know, can't put 12 by 12 paper, but we could find some stuff. We could put a 6 by 6 paper pads in it. Or anything else you want to put in it, put in it. So I was glad to finally find this. And that is all of my my hauls. And